Είναι απαράδεκτη η κατάσταση. Έχουν ξεγελάσει
It's really outrageous. The situation is unacceptable.
Of course I'm concerned. I've got many clients who've lost money because of this, and it's going to undermine all faith in Cyprus as an economy. It's a ridiculous decision.
Γιατί να μας πειράξουν τα λεφτά μας, εγώ δεν το πράγμα δεν το καταλάβω.
Why should they take our money? We've worked our whole lives to save a bit on the side. It's really unfair.
If I had a loan and some money on the side, it would be more reasonable for the government to reduce my loan instead of taking from my savings.
It was the worst possible action they could have taken. We'll just have to wait and see what happens.